5 साल बेमिसाल का प्रारंभ।
Hello everyone, hope you all are safe. My name is Kushali Shah and I was the educator in RES for 3 years. From 2016-17 to 2018-19, I taught UKG for a year and grade 1 for 2 years. Now, as you all know, that little kids always need activities to do, whether it is for learning or whether it is for playing, and it is very difficult for them to just listen and remember. So we at RES always used to follow one rule, and which I personally believe to include in my teaching, and that is learning by doing. Now, what does that mean? That means when a child feels, touches, or experiences anything by activities, games, or any props, then he won't mug up things, but he would remember for the lifetime. And that's what we need to make learnings easy for a child. Now, let me share an example which I did for making learnings easy. Now, say nouns. Now, what is noun? How to recognize noun? And so many questions. Now, suppose if I start speaking and teaching the theories, so it is very difficult for them to remember. But what I did was I made them play a game of 4 corners. I named all the 4 corners as name, place, animal, things. I also gave them chits. They had to read, understand, and recognize, and then they had to run to the particular corner according to the chit. At the end, I also concluded that what you played was a game, but what you learned from a game was nouns. So I would like to end my video with a famous proverb that is, "Tell me and I'll forget it. Show me and I may remember, but involve me and I would remember for the lifetime." Thank you so much.